already seen everything I did in preparations and hair and stuff. If you don't know who I am BABYYY. So let's just see what I'm gonna be packing to Jamaica. Y'all, I made it to Jamaica. I just woke up. We're walking. Hopefully everybody's here. Because I don't know where I'm going. And it's not very much English right in here. So I wonder if I'm going to make my English right. But y'all, we made it.
Just have your passports out, please. You're going to need your passports. One person per. Alright, you're gonna go around to the officer on that side. Come around this, come.
Yes, sir.
My friend right here, right? Oh my God, I've seen all day. She's so fine.
I'm not recording yet.
It's so beautiful.
That's how the politician rolls in Jamaica, man. Tons of police escort, yeah? It's regular traffic cop.
Dang. Y'all just kick, okay.
Two. Remember my name Green, Marvin, yeah? Alright. I hear a star. It's okay to do that.
I am. Y'all, so I finally found my ride because I was lost and I keep losing my passport, but you know, people keep coming to me and bringing it. Yeah, we dropping them off at their hotel, and I am next. My hotel is like 30 minutes away.
Talking to me?
On. He is so funny. They so nice and sweet down here, but he is on the way to the hotel, and then we're gonna have a ball.
She acted like I was the last thing on her mind. I would like to start all over again.
wildest dreams. It's beyond me. Yeah. It's bright as fuck over here. Y'all, I cannot see. It's hot as hell. But tell me why I got a butler. Like, I don't know what to do with that. Like, look at this shit. This shit is crazy. Like, it's too much more. It's like, you can't have your camera. I said, girl, the airport let me bring it over here, so like, you can't take it. Like, I put it away, but definitely can't take it. Right, I'm like that. Yo, I'm at the hotel. I can't check in till, I think she said 2:50, 3 o'clock. Came a little too early. And it's so hot and I can't see. It's bright. And yeah, I have a butler. They told me it's a bottle already in my room. I have a jacuzzi and a hanging chair. It's lit. It's going to be lit. And the girl that checked me in, her birthday on Saturday, I told her to let me know, because I gotta see. Like, tell them just go outside with people. But we're going to see. And it's super hot. Hopefully I'm in the room next time y'all see me, because ghetto. Oh, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, I got a wristband for VIP services only. They said to keep it on at all times. If you lose, and you know they said if you lose this, it's an extra $50. I was like, for a bracelet? They ain't trying to be expensive, but I'm like, okay, I ain't gonna lose it, I think. How I'm supposed to get in the shower though? I ain't trying to have this on me. See, they clipped it on with a thing, like they squeezed it on there. So I'm like, is it that serious? Like, but yeah, that's let me sit in the front.
Oh, you don't want to sit next to me?
I can. He took me to get some food. We is at Privilege, which is on my wristband. So, I need some breakfast. It's still not 1 o'clock yet. I'm not married. No, this is the different food they got. It's crazy. I'm low-key confused because I just ordered pancakes, right? But they already got pancakes over there. I could have just made it myself. Oh, for real. Yeah, so tell me why I had to, you know, my check-in is not till 3. It's 2 o'clock, my room is finally ready and I'm ready to go. She's getting everything situated. She's gonna get somebody to take me to my room. I ain't gonna lie, I'm taking a nap first and then we'll go outside. We gonna see. That's one of my
service. Butler service. Entering.
What if it was somebody in there? The shower. It's the bed. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit for today. I'm gonna change when it get dark outside, but I'm not gonna bring this camera with me everywhere because it keep down. It don't keep down, but I don't feel like carrying everything with me. And then I'm finna get in the water, so I'm gonna have my phone to record from my phone. Hopefully them videos be cute. Let me do a spin so y'all can see. But yeah, it's about to go down. Something gotta happen. And they got a hookah lounge. Who does that? Who does that? Everything is free. Pow, shots, motherfucker. Meet me outside. Catch me outside. Okay, y'all. So I'm back in the room. I'm finna get dressed so I can possibly eat some food. I don't know what I'm about to wear, but yeah, I need to work out for my stomach. Like, I don't like my stomach for real. But let's get to it. I ain't gonna lie, the nightlife here right now, it's a little dead. I don't know what's going on, but to me it's dead. But everybody eating right now, so I don't know if that plays a part. And then I think they said it's supposed to be like a performance or something going on, but we gonna see. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna wear white tonight, eat some food, possibly take pictures, bring this camera. I'm trying to let it charge, and then yeah, take pictures with the camera, come back, go to sleep so I can get up in time to book me an activity that I want to do, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, okay, y'all, so I try to charge this, but it's not fully charged. But let me show y'all the outfit and see what's going on. It's giving. This is the outfit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go downstairs, do some hookah, take some pictures, and why do I keep taking my phone off the charger? So my shit don't be charging up. So y'all, I came to the conclusion that it's not my devices, it's the hotel. Because back in Atlanta, my phone used to charge like that. Charger, camera charger used to charge fast. Then I come here, it don't charge fast, it charges very slow. So it's not us, it's them. But other than that, it's cool. I need to go eat something and then do hookah. But I had called the butler guy, I forgot his name, Mabel, something. But I told him I need my picture taken. That's really all I need from him. And let me hurry up because I don't know when these places close, so. The nightlife.
Getting so much resistance from behind, yeah. Getting so much resistance from behind, yeah.
1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece?
2. Yeah.
Hey, you okay?
Huh.
Okay? You just said my friend, you look so beautiful. Where are you from?
Lord, Wisconsin.
Iran?
Wisconsin.
First time in Jamaica?
Huh?
First time in Jamaica? Seems like you're at Jamaica.
Yeah.
You're not coming to sing. You're not singing this evening.
Oh, I can't sing that.
Oh, no, no.
Hey.
Oh, my.
Hey, y'all.
Men walk down the street say, why must I be alone?
It's giving
Why
you-
must I be alone? Reserve my night is so long. I need a good opportunity. I need a shot for them shot. Going up on cartoon in a cartoon.
You said on what? You mad because you're not here?
Okay, so what's the flavor you want to try? What's it? So the flavor is strawberry, apricot mango, peach.
Which one you recommend?
The blueberry.
We could try that one. Blueberry. Little smoker.
Just rock to the reggae, rock to the reggae. We jamming, 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 we jamming. I want to jam with you. We jamming, we jamming.
So y'all, that is the end of the night for today. Tomorrow we getting active because y'all came outside a little too late. But the outfit is cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the room, chill. I don't know, figure something out. Yeah, I'm trying to book this activities and I got the money. And we're gonna get lit. I hope it's not today because, yeah, I don't know. Okay, y'all, I just booked my activities. Now I'm at the pool. I need a drink. And I leave at 11 o'clock. I wonder if they let me bring my camera. Think or no? I don't know. I ain't paying for nothing. I ain't paying for nothing extra. I've been taking pictures with my camera. I figured out how to connect it to.
We about to go off. These speakers go blah, blah, blah. Everybody turn up. It's about to go down, down, down. The whole room spin, spin.
I want to see some fire. That's what I want to see.
We about to go in, in, in. We can't stop now, now, now. Dance. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't dance. Don't stop, don't stop, don't dance. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't dance.
I just took my picture by the Love One sign. Everybody is flexible. It's giving. Yeah. Y'all, so I booked rafting and I also booked ziplining. It start at 11. Drinks don't start going till 10. So it's a balance. I don't know if I want to change my swimsuit to something more cute. But I'm really happy. I'm gonna go take pictures. This is the privileged side, which is basically VIP. We got our own little section. Okay, y'all. So this is like the VIP area. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I still ain't getting to walk in. Fine. It's lit. I need to go eat breakfast, honestly. But the pictures, I think it's gonna go crazy. Like, it has to. It's my birthday. get it started. Y'all, it is hot as hell. I'm gonna go eat and see what's going on. But this was cute while it lasted. I'm hungry. And okay, y'all, so I'm finna eat breakfast. It is 10 o'clock, so I'm finna drink. I'm finna start it off early. It's still my birthday. It's almost time to go ziplining. But I ordered a margarita so far. So.
See that margarita girl, she look at me and she want to attack.
Looking good, as you should be.
Don't tell her that. You made me girl egg swell. Don't tell her.
What did you say?
You look good as you should.
Oh, thank you.
Give a dog. Smile, she wants smile.
Y'all, they so nice and sweet down here, like, it's crazy. Y'all, so we got 46 minutes left before it's time to go. I don't want to be tipsy, but I want to be tipsy before I go. I need to order me something that's going to absorb, because you can't be hot and drunk at the same time. It's just not going to work. But let's get to it. Okay, y'all. So I was supposed to do my activities today. We didn't get to do it because it was raining bad over there. So I rescheduled it for tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. But my outfit was so cute. Like, this was going to be it when I was on them boats. But let me go in the mirror so y'all can see it. So you can see it. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this was the outfit. It's supposed to be up, but I don't be having time to tie it. But y'all get the point. Y'all, and then I have a stalker. It's this man I seen last night with a suit on. He had on a black suit, and I'm walking past. He just talking. I turn around and say, huh? And I'm still walking though, but he's still talking. He was like, what you here for? I said, oh, it's my birthday. He like, happy birthday. I left it at that, because I'm like, he's not cute. You could tell he old. But then I see him again today. I'm walking, like, where you going? I'm like, to the pool. I was going by the people, because I'm like, ain't no fucking way. So he coming with me. I'm like, hell motherfucking no. So he like, don't you stay on the 3rd floor? I'm like, I was like, wow, what's up? He was like, oh, I saw you up there. I'm like, okay, the fuck? And whatever. So then he leaves from by me. You know, I'm checking my surroundings. I'm like, can I make sure the coast is clear, because I don't want to run into him again. So I wait a good 5 minutes. I'm walking extra slow. While I'm walking to my room, his room is at the corner. So my room is right here. His room is at the corner. He got his door open. He like, hey, I was just finna leave a note in front of your door. If y'all think I'm lying, this the note right here. It says, happy birthday. I am room 2335, I think. Yeah, 2332. And he left his phone number. Bitch, where's the money, bitch? Why? Do I look dumb to you? So then he said, oh, I'm sorry. My name is, I don't even know his name. He didn't even leave it on here, so that's how I know it's some weird shit. I shake his hand. He felt like he wanted to pull a bitch in. But there's the room housekeeping, or the room attendant, whatever you want to call her. She was right there. She said, "You alright?" He pulling out his phone. He like, I don't even know what the fuck he was doing. But I looked back, I said, "Huh?" And she like, "You good?" I said, "Yeah, that's my room." She said, "Oh yeah, I'm finna go in there." And I said, "Yep, I'm finna go. I'm in my room, waiting for her to leave." I think she would, I don't know who the fuck I'm supposed to be tipping around this motherfucker. It's confusing. But she knows she's standing here making sure she closed the door. And I'm just like, ain't no fucking way this bitch room is at the fucking corner. And why the fuck you leaving your door open when I walk up? Bitch, that's weird to me. These times you wanna stay here or you wanna go outside the city? I'm like, oh no, I got plans with my friends. We have plans tonight. You like, oh well, I'll leave tomorrow. What the fuck that got to do with me, bitch? What? You said happy birthday, I said thank you. That's it. You leaving has nothing to do with me. Like, then you gonna say happy birthday with no money in here? Bitch, I thought I heard it was a door that closed down there. I was thinking like he finna knock on my door. But bitch, I'm not playing none of that. Like, this finna go in the fucking garbage because what? You wanna hang, bitch, what? You know it's my birthday, but you ain't even. Bye, bitch. Loser. But yeah, y'all, I'm chilling right now. I'm finna get some pictures in this outfit because it's not going to waste. I wish I could have took it on that damn boat thing. Damn, that would have been so cute, but I know exactly what I'm wearing tomorrow. So yeah, it's about to be a vibe. So I think tonight is supposed to be a pool party, but tonight I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Tonight I heard it's supposed to be a pool party or some shit like that. I might go, but that water look cold. We gonna see. I don't even want to step in my room right now. I wish they had an elevator on this side. Cause I'll be damned, I'm trapped in the elevator with him. The fuck, bitch. You gotta go tomorrow, bitch. Stay your fucking ass in the fucking room. The fuck? I watch too many movies to be seeing shit like that. He probably don't mean no harm on his part. But me being me, bitch, keep your ass over there if I, bitch, I got weapons in here. I always want to hit somebody with a bottle too. So, yeah, that's just all I'm saying. But it's cool though. It's cool. See, even they know how to accommodate me. Happy birthday with a bottle and a glass. This whole nothing. What the fuck was you gonna do? Slide under my door? The fuck? Okay, bye y'all. Cause he just, yeah. Say hey. Huh? Yeah. Okay, y'all. I'm on my way to Ziplining. And they got us walking the trail. I don't think I can turn the camera around. These bastards look crooked. It's giving. I'm ready to try this out, y'all. My phone about to die. I did not bring my camera.
Yeah. Huh? What? Second is not last time.
Everybody want to pass out. Everybody.
But what if I told you I just watch YouTube so I know what I'm doing?
Oh, child.
So good one. So there we got everyone listening, all right? There we got everyone listening. Now 240 hours of training to move you to the tour in the best manner possible. Still, my friends, we need your help, and for that we got 2 rules. Rule number 1, you follow instructions.
You scared me, Uncle? You got it.
Again, guys, remember, spinning is normal, all right? So whichever direction it comes in, the guide it goes that.
So we get wherever it goes this way, we good, right?
Like you pay for 180, get a 360. Whoop, 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 whoop. Repeat that for me.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's on Friday! OMG!
I got you. Stand up.
Ooh, I like this one better than the other one.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
I'm ready.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
That had to be the fastest one.
Yeah, I told you.
Shit.
You see fun right here?
Zip.
That's the only way I get hurt. Touch me.
Thank you. Hey.
Black in our daddy house, we are glad to pick it and wrap it up. So me and boy, me not care about your body con. You know see it, girl then dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl, pan the ground, pan the roof, pan the patio. Oh, if you born on my bitch, we stopping up. Champagne, strip club, high bands. All if you bustin' on your face like 5-5. Girl, it's some cocky, me love you, no in 5-9. Like city apartment, babes get your skyline. I hope you know me, I'm poor when I came in the business. Who you fuck tonight, I might not. Bottle, pop, tequila shots. If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Y'all lime with cats for real, baby, I'm the dream. Just ask your reader, man. Now ask me who she need a fun. If you know I'm a baby, she's a fan. You can't just want fuck down your place, put price by your pussy.
Okay, y'all, I am back from doing all the activities. I'm gonna have to insert from my phone because I did not bring my camera because there's too much water involved. Look, camera getting foggy already. But it's raining. Why is it still getting foggy? Hold on. But I had so much fun. Like, I met some nice people. It was lit. I done jumped off of, I don't even know what it's called, but I jumped off of there. But I'm finna shower. Hopefully it's not raining. But I really had fun. Like, that was so much fun. It was lit. I wanna get in the hot tub. We're gonna see how that goes. Cause he's talking about I gotta request it like room service type shit. It's gonna keep you up there. I'm about to get in the shower, finish packing, because I leave tomorrow, but I really have fun. I'm definitely coming back, and once again, either you're coming or you're not, but I'm still gonna come. So, it's bittersweet, but I got a story to tell y'all when I come back. Y'all, I gotta pee, but they call me at 4 o'clock in the morning and tell some, your driver's here from the airport. I'm like, well, I can leave at 6 o'clock. My flight not till 8:30. And I know you gotta go now, so I'm rushing. I gotta pee, and I'm finna go. But everything is somewhat packed. I'm gonna miss this room. I had so much fun, but I gotta go. My driver's on the way to come get me, and wish me luck.
Me I die for you. Me I die for you.